Hi Starseeds! Today I'm going to teach you how to make vegan ice cream, and I love this recipe. It is so easy, and for those of you who have children and you know how kids always want to eat something sweet, well, now you can actually give them something sweet that has a ton of nutrients in it as well. So it's really clean eating, and I can't wait to get into the recipe. So let's do it. So ice cream needs a lot of fatty ingredients, one of which is going to be cashew nuts. These are raw cashew nuts that have been soaking for 8 hours. Now, if you don't want to soak your cashews for 8 hours, you can always put them in some boiling water for about 1 to 2 hours, and then you can just skip the whole 8-hour process. So we are going to just strain the water. And now our cashews are nice and soft and luscious. Now that our cashews have been soaked, we are going to start placing everything into the blender, starting with a cup of your choice of vegan milk. I've got a combination of soy milk and oat milk, actually. And now we're gonna be adding in the cashews. Guys, honestly, this recipe is to die for, and it's so easy to make. I absolutely love it. So we're gonna be using coconut cream next. Again, we need a lot of fat in this recipe, so we have the cashews and we also have the coconut cream. This is 85% coconut cream, very low water content, and just super thick, and it's organic. You don't want to use coconut cream that's not organic. Trust me, it's not gonna taste good. So the brand I'm using, as you saw earlier, is Biona, and it's called Coconut Whipping Cream. It's very thick, very luscious, and it's gonna make our ice cream delicious. So you wanna put all of it in, even the water. And now it's time for our sweetener. I'm gonna be using coconut nectar. This is very viscous and rich. So I'm just going to measure out a half a cup. Okay, so we're adding in, oh my God. Just look at that. That's just beautiful. Oh my God, so delicious. So we're gonna blend all this up, and then we're gonna add in the final 2 ingredients. So let's do it. So now that it's blended and it's looking smooth and silky, I'm adding in a tablespoon of melted coconut oil. And then I'm gonna be adding in this amazing Bourbon vanilla. Look at this beautiful vanilla powder. It smells like Oreos and marshmallows, and it's going straight into the ice cream. So once again, blend it all up. So look at the creamy goodness. Oh my God. Just take a glass Tupperware and place in this delicious ice cream. Now this is a great base. Like at this point, you could add in vegan cookies or homemade brownies and just cut them up into chunks and place them into your ice cream and just swirl it around. So I love vanilla and I love these beautiful specks. So I'm just going to dust some in my ice cream, an extra teaspoon. And then I'm just going to take a little wooden spoon and swirl it around. You can do this with cookies or brownies, or even you could add in strawberry powder and make it into a strawberry vanilla ice cream. The possibilities are endless. All you have to do now is close it with a lid and place it into the freezer. Okay, Starseeds, so our ice cream has been chilling overnight, and I just took it out of the freezer and thawed it out a little bit so that it's scoopable, okay? So that's what the texture looks like. It's completely rollable and so good. So I'm gonna try this for you right now. Oh, yes. Mmm. Oh my God. It's very rich, and in my opinion, it tastes like Oreos and marshmallows. I don't know. It's the vanilla bean powder. The vanilla bean powder just gives this marshmallowy Oreo kind of taste. And I kind of like it when it thaws out and it's a little bit creamy, like a little bit soft. It's really, really good. So like I said before, this is a great ice cream base, and you can just add in whatever kind of flavor you want. or you can add in some more texture by adding in some homemade brownies maybe, like, or raw vegan brownies, or even cookies. You can just really get creative with this recipe. That's what I love about it so much. For me, the most important ingredient in this, or no, I mean, they're all important, but one of the ones that really makes the flavors pop is the vanilla bean powder. So please don't skip the vanilla bean powder or vanilla extract. You really need that flavor in this recipe. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you make this ice cream. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know where you're watching from. You know I love getting to know all of you. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel, because you know that Greg and I are here every single week providing you with plant-based delicious recipes. So we'll see you next time.
Tell me, what do you think?
Let me see. Really good.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. You like it? You want more? Do you have any social media account that you want people to follow you?
Yeah.
What?
On YouTube, The Ultimate Gamer and Fun.
Yeah.
And on TikTok, Toxic Tom 2.
So you want people to follow you? Okay.
Wait, tell people how much you love cows, because there's no milk in there.
Oh yeah, I love cows because there's no milk in here.
Yeah.
So that means it's friendly to the cows.
Yes.